Oh my God. I seriously might get in trouble. What is it with this object that I'm trying to show you that I keep getting violated for? What is it that they don't want us to know? So I appealed it. I'm making another video to try again. It's just a freaking book, but the contents in this book is what I'm trying to show you, because you'll be as freaking mind blown as I am. Let's get into it. I'm so nervous. I don't know how long this one's gonna last. Save, repost, share, do whatever you gotta do. Cancer and treatment, tumors, teething pain, abdominal pain. Let me know what you want to see in the comments and I'll try and do a video about it, because this stuff is insane. I'm gonna try again and link it right here. I'm so nervous.